Building your own greenhouse might seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through the 6 key stages from laying the foundation to installing the cover and doors. Let's get started. First, map out your greenhouse location. Mark the 4 corners with stakes or spray paint, then use the 3-4-5 triangle method to ensure perfect right angles. Measure 3 meters on one side, 4 meters on the other, and the diagonal should be exactly 5 meters. Next, draw a level building line about 10 centimeters off the ground. Mark where your arches will go, typically spaced 1.32 to 1.5 meters apart. Now drill holes for your embedment posts, 30 centimeters wide and 40 centimeters deep. For extra stability in commercial setups, go deeper. Position the posts, align them with your building line. Mix and pour concrete into the holes, holding the posts steady. Let the concrete dry overnight. Once your foundation is set, assemble the arches by connecting them to the columns. Use self-drilling Tek screws to attach the pieces together. Slot the columns into the embedment posts, then add purlins and trusses for support between arches. Attach the end of the purlin poles to the front and back arch using clamps. Secure the lengths of the purlin pole together with Tek screws. Then secure the purlins to all of the inner arches using spring clips. Install horizontal bars onto the front and back arches using clamps. Then attach purlins between the horizontal bar and the arch to form a W. Dig holes for the embedment posts that will go along the end walls. Attach them to the horizontal bar with clamps and secure them into the ground by filling the hole back up with dirt or concrete. You decide. Install the bar above the door. Then install the door track using taping screws. Similarly, install the bar below the door. For the front and back walls, run ground-to-ground channels first, then attach them to the arches. When you reach column elbows, make 1 or 2 quick cuts in the channel to bend it smoothly around the curve. Secure everything with screws every 40 to 50 centimeters. This keeps the frame rigid. Install the locking profiles. Start with the front and back walls, attaching channels from one side to the other. Use connector plates to keep them straight and screw them into every arch. For side walls, add 2 horizontal channels, one 20 to 30 centimeters off the ground, and the other 1 meter above it to create window frames. If you're using reinforced channels, install those first, then add a standard locking profile on top. Don't forget the door frame. Finish by framing the door and adding horizontal profiles for a clean look. Install sliding doors on the rail system. Attach the door to the trolleys with bolts, then test the movement. It should glide smoothly. You can cover the door frame with plastic or ventilation mesh, depending on your needs. For pest control, install the polyethylene insect mesh. Unroll the netting along your window frames, leaving a little excess. Use wiggle wire to lock it into the top and bottom channels, ensuring 2 to 3 centimeters of net extends outside. Pull it taut and secure it in place with wiggle wires. Now install the Dado film under the insect mesh. Time for the cover. Unroll the plastic sheet along the side of the greenhouse and ensure it is shiny side out. Attach rope to the film and then, with at least 2 people, pull it over the frame evenly. Use a dull object to deal with any plastic snags along the frame so as not to rip it. Walk around the greenhouse and evenly spread the plastic across the frame. Secure it from top to bottom with wiggle wire, leaving 20 to 30 centimeters of plastic overlapping the ground. Adjust the tension to smooth out wrinkles. This ensures even wear over time. And that's it. Your greenhouse is ready for plants. Remember, wait 20 days for the concrete to fully cure before adding heavy loads. For a detailed guide, download our step-by-step PDF. Happy growing.